So I suppose after that last story, a happy forecast would be in order. That's a relative thing, you know. People have different reactions to different types of weather patterns. We have been looking at cool and wet across the north coast today. Scattered showers, light rain activity, that's winding down to be replaced by cool and dry for the next couple days. Here you see the moisture sliding from north to south along the coast. Did that make you happy? Yeah, if not, something else will, I'm sure, because it is beginning to clear out. That means tonight's going to be very cold. Temperatures across the interior into the upper 20s. Hard freeze expected there, right around the freezing mark here at the coast, mid to low 30s. For tonight, we will gradually warm through the rest of the week as we see a few more clouds move into the area in the overnight hours. But we are going to hold the rain off until the weekend. So Christmas Day should be dry and mostly clear across the region. We'll have a few morning clouds giving way to some afternoon sunshine. Temperature-wise today, 50s across Humboldt Bay and north to McKinleyville, Trinidad. Crescent City Airport also in at 50 today. Willow Creek topped out at 46. Cool air once again trapped in the Hoopa Valley. I'm sure Orleans was on the cool side today as well. Garberville 43. They'll warm up a little bit tomorrow. Maybe upper 40s to low 50s, while at the coast we're going to stay in this 50-52 range here for tomorrow with a slight bump in temperatures over the next couple days as this high-pressure system holds strong in the offshore waters. Now, it's going to take the moisture from this front to our north. That front will probably split apart right about here. We'll see some high clouds moving across the area over the next few days, but we're going to hold the rain off until Saturday when this frontal boundary makes its way to the shorelines. Look for rain to develop through the day, continuing into Sunday and into the beginning of the week. But this first wave should be just more clouds than anything else. And even that, I think we can call it partly cloudy at this point, as most of this will shred before it gets here. So we are looking at a dry stretch here. Temperatures will not warm a lot. We'll be in the mid-50s for the most part over the Christmas holiday here. Cooling, warming, I should say, again, as the next frontal system arrives through the weekend. That'll be warm moisture across the area. We did see a dusting of fresh snow in the high country. It didn't amount to much, but it looks like snow levels down to about 2,000 feet out there with an inch or two of snow today as those cold showers again left a bit of moisture across the region. Computer models drying things out through the day tomorrow, continuing that trend into and through the day on Thursday. I don't think we'll be clear, but we will keep the moisture out of here as a few high clouds will move into the region. Looks like frontal boundaries moving across the midsection of the country from the Rockies out to the East Coast will create some travel delays here as temperatures, if you're headed for Grandma's house, are going to be cold once again in the upper Midwest. And again, the bulk of the storms will be in the midsection of the country. Chicago could be a bit messy here for the holiday travel period, as we will look for mid to upper 30s at the coast tonight, upper 20s to low 30s out across the interior. Daytime highs tomorrow, pretty close to today, a degree or two warmer, but still on the cool side, as mid to low 50s should prevail. Winds will be out of the north, 5 to 15 knots, and we'll look again for mostly clear skies tomorrow and Thursday across the region. Into Friday, we'll begin to pick up a few more clouds, but holding the rain off until Saturday into early next week as we see temperatures warming with the increase in the cloud mass out there. The cloud blanket will warm things up a tad, but for the next couple nights, look for clear and cold across the region. As mentioned, hard freeze out across the interior. Could be a bit of frost and ice on the ground first thing in the morning, so heads up as you're moving around early. Taking a look at our 3-degree contestant for tonight, Tom Bacombe of Eureka wins the desk clock from Redwood Coast Cellular, so there'll be $120 in the prize pool for tomorrow night. We'll see how that plays out then.
Okay, thanks, Jim.
You bet.
And now Manny Machado joins us with sports, and Manny, Lumberjacks taken to the court tonight.
Yeah, HSU returning to conference play in the Bay Area at Sonoma State. We do return. Ferndale and Del Norte meet again in high school girls basketball, and the Bengals pay tribute to their former teammates. Stay with us. Sports is next.